How to view your Apple ID password on iPhone. Apple does not display your Apple ID password directly in the Apple ID settings for the security reasons, but we are here with the workaround you can try to fix this issue. First of all, open the Settings app from your iPhone's home screen. Then tap on the Apple ID or your name at the top and navigate to the Apple ID settings. Now scroll down, tap on the Sign In and Security option available there. Once inside the Sign In and Security, you can see Change Password option available there. Scroll down and you will get to see Change Password. All you have to do is tap on it. Then first of all, enter your iPhone password. Then you can change your Apple ID password this easily. And remember the new one, or you can simply put it on your notes or somewhere you can keep safe. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.